Washington if you doubt. She's from the downstairs, she just left with a piece, and I don't wanna cause a scene. Right after CD player bumping Jay-Z, jet skis, big holes in the water. Yeah, I'm still looking for somebody's daughter. Across the street, walking to the beach, she came over here just to talk to me. She said, "Did you feel me?" Homegirl look like the Hollywood chick, pink bandana, her up north grandma. I'm the dream girl, break it down. That's it, girl, rock and bounce. It's all them chicks in the six all around the world. For a Midwest girl, you got a big chest, girl. Until you holler, let's go. Hey girl, you're looking good. Hey girl, work it just like you should. Hey girl, you're so fine. Don't you wanna be by my side? Hey girl, you're looking good. Hey girl, work it just like you should. Hey girl, you're so fine. Don't you wanna be by my side? This girl is so pretty, so let's do it till the sun goes. Being like a baby. Until you holler, let's go. This girl is so pretty, so let's do it till you come close. DJ Elvia. Until you holler, let's go. It's 12 o'clock and we just flew in. The hotel just synced up the hand. Throw the rooms on the meet me in the lounge. Grab my high, said I'm ready to pound. Soon as I walked out my door, oh yeah man, there she goes. Saw a fire on the 14th floor. Dead, hey, and my said, oh, she feeling me. Your walk is killing me. Girl, you're looking good. I know you're not from my hood. I know you always from home. You don't have to be alone. Baby, I'll be around. 1410 if you down. She's from the
doon ang fitness center, nadaanan nyo, papunta ng center. Pero ang mga pipinin ko kaya sa
This is a typical TV case. Payat na yun. Lalo yung smoker, no? Mga COPD. Mapayat na sila.
may gumabaw.
Proper breathing. This one is stabilization. Okay? Nebulize na. These are the mechanical ventilators. Okay? Medyo sophisticated talaga. Hindi na katulad ng araw na ang lalaki, tapos yung betos, ang hingay-hingay pa. No? Yan, artificial, bypass. you are going to give them medicines, they will send it. Kaya napunta ang DOTS. Kasi matitigas ang ulo ng mga Pilipino. Di ba? Especially in the service part. If you will ask them to buy medicines, wala sila. Pero may pang-topics yan. Alam na ako dito. Okay, wala ka bang ano dyan? Oh, puberty catheter is like this, no? It's a small catheter. So if there's bleeding, they will just insert this using this scope. So kung dalawa, magkaiba, pwedeng dalawa yung passport. All you have to do is to inflate that. Inflate. Kasi meron ba din siya sa dulo. Hindi kasi pwede. 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 Hindi. Left out. Linak mo naman yung paghinga ng pasyente. Hindi ma'am. Pwede kasi 2 catheter at a time. So, dito lang. So, isang ano lang. Hindi pwede magkabila. So, it costs 12,000. Assisting this procedure, if the doctor will tell you open, you just follow the instruction. Ayan. Open, then close. Kukunin niya na yan. Then you have to prepare your materials. Pag meron ng tissue dyan, you place that in a container to send to the laboratory for examination. Or is to pass. Ha? Forceps. Iba-iba lang yung dulo nila. Pwedeng alligator or plain forceps. We have also the brushing. May brushing din sila. For cytology naman, dun sa anong class yan? Slides.
When you take TB drugs, kailangan yan religiously. Hindi yung ngayon, bukas, hindi FDR ka. Hirap mo. Okay? Kaya kung may relatives kayo, supervise nyo na rin sila. Ha? Huwag yung advise nyo na paano gagawin. Para mag-cure natin ang TB, ma-prevent natin ang TB. Okay? Kasi yan ang goal ng Department of Health and WHO. Kasi marami pa rin hanggang ngayon. And also, health teachings natin as nurses. Mga siguro ma-observe nyo dito sa FCC, meron kami gas gun for security. Para hindi sila kung saan-saan na lang. Saan-saan na lang. Okay? Kaya meron kami dito. Okay, ma-observe nyo along the hallway.